Today is like a day I've been waiting for bloody ages, because basically about 3 months ago I got my ARMYTRIX exhaust system delivered from America to VRS in Northampton, and we booked a day to get it installed to my M6, right? That day just never came because of coronavirus and we went into lockdown, but things are starting to ease here in the UK, and today is the day that I'm going to get it installed, right? So let's just remind you what it sounds like right now. Hold start. Sounds alright, doesn't it? But it just sounds a little bit calm. So today is the installation day at long last. What I'm going to be doing now is I'm going to be hitting the M1, heading north to Northampton, and we're going to go to VRS and get the ARMYTRIX exhaust system installed. That exhaust is a bloody work of art, isn't it? It just looks unbelievable. It almost looks too good to install to a car, because it's like, it's all shiny and chrome, and yeah man, shout out to ARMYTRIX. But what we're going to do is we're going to let them fit the exhaust, and there's someone behind me there. Let them fit the exhaust. I'll cut some shots of them fitting the exhaust as well. It looks like a hell of a job. A lot of stuff's got to come off the car before they can obviously take the old one off and fit the new one. But I'll let them do what they're good at, and then we'll check back in with you in a sec once the exhaust is fitted, and then the grand finale is obviously starting the engine on the car and listening to the tone of that exhaust. All right, so I'll check back in with you in a bit. All right. Got the old exhaust off now, Will. That was a hell of a job, wasn't it?
Yeah, how are you going to get that home?
I don't know, that ain't going to fit in any of my cars, that's for sure. It's actually one piece, isn't it?
Yes, one piece from the bottom of the downpipes all the way back. Yeah, I mean, it's a big job to put that somewhere, basically.
Yeah.
But that's your job, so.
I will cross that bridge another day, I think.
There's your ARMYTRIX.
Amazing, isn't it? It looks bloody.
Yeah, shiny, 3-inch, it's lovely. So decap, obviously. Then you've got your ARMYTRIX carbon tailpipes. Obviously we'll look at it on the car and try and fit them up nice.
Make them
got
nice.
a forced Dyno rear diffuser, haven't you? So we'll try and get them to fit nice in there. But the exhaust looks nice. You know, it's on remote as well.
Yeah, that'd be interesting. So that literally just opened the valves inside the exhaust, is it?
Yeah, there's a little bit of.
Oh, that's what this is here, is it?
Yeah. Under this box here, you've got the wiring, and then you've got a double adapter thing with a solenoid and some pipe, and then obviously that's your key ring.
Yeah.
And then that plugs in, and then that's what tells it to open and shut, etc. So, and that's it basically.
Cool, man. So we've got downpipes, the mid section,
whole thing
back
basically,
box.
but in bits. Because you couldn't ship this from America like that.
Nah,
You wouldn't get it on. You just nobody do it. It'd just be a fortune. So, yeah.
It's gonna be good.
So that's it. Obviously the exhaust's off. Rear diffuser's off, obviously.
It looks strange about the rear diffuser on, doesn't it?
Yeah, it looks a bit painless, doesn't it?
Yeah.
So, then you've got Matt's been doing the job.
Yeah.
So, check. So the downpipes are out currently, and then so the downpipes come here in the back,
Of course.
and they head down the back of the bay. It's all heat shielded and stuff, so that should be good. And then the turbos. Oh no, I'm joking.
They're broken. We love a broken video.
Oh
mate.
god! Oh, hang on. Oh.
Calvin's M6
Oh,
is
it's
broken.
No, it's fine. Yeah, it's good. It's good. So, yeah. So, hopefully we can start firing it back together now,
Yeah.
and then when we put it back together, we'll copper grease everything. So, if we have to take it apart again, it all comes apart nice.
Nice, yeah.
And then
Get it started and have a
see
little
what it
listen.
sounds like.
Yeah.
And then we're going to service it.
Oh yeah, because we want to service
So
it. A couple more
we're
bits.
going to do an oil change, and then we've got some carbon flappy paddles
Paddle
put in.
shifters, yeah.
So I'll have a look at doing those. Probably won't do it now because I want to be able to open the door without hitting the ramp, you know, usual stuff.
Yeah, yeah.
And then you've got a black badge for the back, which I'm just going to stick on top of the other one because I can't be asked to take it.
Imagine it.
Your face earlier. You know.
I was like, no, we can't do that.
So yeah, and then that's it basically. So
Sorted. So
it'd be nice to dyno the car as well.
Yeah.
Currently we have another one of your cars on a dyno, so we'll finish that, and then if we have time
We'll get it
today,
on dyno.
we'll put it on a dyno.
see what power we're running.
Yeah, and then maybe you mentioned you wanted to put back on the
Cold
start.
start.
Obviously, the car isn't tuned by us,
Yeah.
so I'm not going to interfere with someone else's intellectual property, i.e. the tune. So if we do tune it, I'll remove that, put our tune in, but it's purely for the.
Just for the.
Yeah, it's not because there's nothing wrong with it. Anything
Yeah,
wrong with it.
no, it's
we
a
don't
great
know.
tune.
So,
Brilliant.
but the problem is that for me to add that to their tune, I'd then
Yeah.
so I'm not going to do that. So we'll put our own tune in. So
Yeah, makes sense.
but they're all much of a muchness on these. So I'd
we
like
get-
to think that it will be good when we've done it.
Are we going to get time to do that today, Will?
I'd like to. I genuinely would like
Yeah.
to. It's just whether or not how many times you've stopped me to video stuff, basically.
Alright, we'll stop filming. We'll get on with step 2 of installing the exhaust, and we'll hopefully get on the dyno today, alright?
Cool. All right. Yeah.
Sure. Right, so it's a couple of days later now, hence the change of clothes and Will's beard. So, Will, we've got the car on dyno. What's the crack?
So we're going to test the car on the dyno obviously first, see what power it makes on the original tune. Just make sure we've not gone backwards with it, because we don't want to do that anyway.
Of course.
Obviously, we'll always want to go forward. So, and then we'll test the car, make sure it's all okay, log it, and then we're going to change the tune to our tune. Which is probably going to be very similar, what I would hope, or better.
Yeah.
Only because we're doing a bit of a custom tune on it.
Yeah, because I want a few bits.
why.
I want a few bits done myself.
Yeah, and then the main reason for changing it is for the cold start at the end of the day.
Yeah.
So,
Priority.
but the easiest, quickest way just to quickly power test the car, make sure everything's all right, and then we'll put our tune in straight afterwards and do that. And then I set all the exhausts on. It's all working. Sounds good.
Yeah, I've not heard it yet, so but we'll save
Got
that.
a little M6 badge on the back.
Oh yeah,
seen
yeah.
it,
No,
yeah?
I ain't seen it. I've seen it.
need to look at
I
that.
need to check that out.
And then obviously we put your carbon paddles on.
Oh, nice. I've not even looked in the window.
They're really nice.
They are nice, aren't they?
I don't know that company, and I've never seen.
Shout out to paddle shifters.
Yeah, we're looking into that because they're really nice, and they fit so well. So.
Yeah. Oh, wicked. That's good.
And they've got the little green bits in.
The little green touches. Yeah, they're custom to suit the paint of the car.
Oh, you got them done custom?
Yeah, literally they custom made them. So
and it's got the E-Venturis on as well, so they're nice carbon ones. So
they're beautiful, aren't they?
Yeah, really good. So we'll hopefully make some power. It's got some big fat tyres on the back, so hopefully we'll get no wheel spin. Yeah. So we'll see.
Cool. All right. So dyno run #1 coming now. Yeah.
Yep.
Right, I've been waiting for this moment for bloody ages. So, cold starts are switched on, full ARMYTRIX exhaust system, and this is what it sounds like. The whole car is rumbling. Yeah, my neighbours already love me, and they're going to love me even more now. Well, that's calmed down a little bit now. So what I'll do is, before we go out for a drive, obviously I want to get the car warm first. So quickly talk about my new steering wheel. So I messaged Control Custom Steering Wheels at the beginning of the week, and I said to them, guys, what's the chances of you getting the steering wheel back to me finished by the end of the week? They said, get your steering wheel out to us and we'll do it straight away. So I sent the steering wheel from the post. I say I did. The car was here at VRS because this has been going on for a couple of weeks now. Just busy and stuff not going to plan, but we'll talk about that in another video. But yeah, VRS sent the steering wheel off. I've arrived today. The steering wheel arrived this morning as well. We've fitted the new steering wheel, got the new paddle shifters as well, and the steering wheel's got a green leather ring around the top at 12 o'clock, and then green stitching on the inside just to match all of the green accents everywhere else inside and outside of the car. So well happy with that. I'll put a link to Control Customs in the description below, but my priority right now, as you can probably imagine, is driving my M6 with my ARMYTRIX exhaust on it for the very first time. So let's hit the road. Seatbelt on. Feels so strange in here now because need to reset up the M1 and M2 buttons because obviously the car's been reflashed. Everything's basically been reset, so let me quickly do this. And we are off. I'll get the window open a little bit so we can, might open that one as well, so we can get a good feeling for what it sounds like, yeah? Back in, lighting up a little. It's got a really raspy sound to it, so it's a lot more volume, a lot more noise. Oh, this car is lively. So dyno results, that's something else you're going to want to know. Let's just say we achieved above 700 brake horsepower, but I kind of want to do a separate video talking over a few things. So this video today is fully about the ARMYTRIX exhaust, so we're going to concentrate on that. But yeah, power wise, we've got more power, or we won't talk too much about it, alright? But it's all good, kind of. Do you know what it makes? I don't know if it's because I haven't driven it for a while, but it makes the car feel sort of almost lighter, a bit more on point, a bit more, because there's a different sound here, and I say that a lot in videos. The sound of a car does make the drive of the car feel different, and that sounds ridiculous, I know it does, but it without a doubt does give a car a different feeling. So I've also got the option to open the valves through this exhaust, this control here, I've got them open all the time at the minute, so I'll leave it as that. But if you want to go for a quiet mode, you can. It just feels like such a quality car, man. Now, annoyingly, I'm not actually taking the car home today because it's got to stay here for some other bits to be done, and like I say, that's going to be talked about in another video. But I've basically popped up today just to drive it for my first time with this exhaust on it, to get a feel for what it's like, obviously with my new steering wheel, and show you lot what it sounds like. But yeah, if I take, in fact, that's the wrong way, isn't it, Cal? That's not the right way to VRS. I should really know that. I've been here loads of times. Yeah, I'm proper happy with it. Sounds like an absolute beast. This car is just savage. It's an absolutely savage car. I love it, and I've finally got everything done now that I've wanted to get done. It's noisy. It's I've got my paddles on. I've got my steering wheel done. I've got my little black M6 badge on the back. The green logo on the ARMYTRIX logo. I love them little touches on the exhaust tips as well. That looks nice. And and obviously the fact that we've gone for the carbon fibre tips as well. I love that. So what we're going to do now is we're going to park up, leave the car here. I'm going to end the video here, but everyone that I've mentioned in today's video will be linked in the description below, so do check them out, show them some love. And yeah, I've got a big announcement. I think it's coming in the next video, so make sure you subscribe for that. Look out for that video. But yeah, I'm leaving the M6 here, sadly. There will be a lot more content coming on this car, so yeah, look out for that as well. Thank you very much for watching. Shout out to ARMYTRIX. This exhaust is absolutely savage, and it's really finished my car off. So the quality of the exhaust, the look of it, the overall finish of that exhaust, you saw it throughout this video. I put a lot of effort into this video as well, by the way, so show me some love for the video. Make sure you hit that like button. But yeah, ARMYTRIX will also be linked in the description below. Thank you very much for watching. Subscribe if you're new. New video every Wednesday and Sunday at 6 o'clock. And give me a follow on Instagram as well, at Calvin's Car Diary, alright? Bye. In the next episode of Diary of a Car Trader, basically I've got some pretty good news for you. It's something that I've been wanting to talk about for a long time, and I'm finally making that announcement in the next video. So I'll see you then.